Good morning, class. In the last lecture, we are studying means we are finding the value of volume, cuboid, and cube. Now, in this lecture, we are studied volume of circular cylinder and whole cylinder. Now, first, that is a right circular cylinder. Means a right circular cylinder means in our day-to-day life, we come across several solid like a circular pipe, gas cylinder, tube light. Most important is a tube light like a circular cylinder. So these are a right circular cylinder. This solid have a circular means lateral surface with congruent circle ends. Such solid as a are known as a right circular cylinder. Means in this diagram these are a right circular cylinder. This is a circular. These are a circle, have a two circle because they are circular cylinder, and these are a parallel two lines. Here h is a height from origin means this top to the bottom. We are finding height top to bottom, and O is the center of cylinder. O and O dash is the center of cylinder, and here R is a radius, and these 2R means diameter of this circle, means diameter of that cylinder. Now this cylinder, we are cutting this edge, first edge, and separated in this way, one cut from this one. So they are showing in this way. हमने इसको एक कट मारा इधर से, so वो ऐसा दिखेगा in rectangular. So we know that. So this is a round, so we cut here, so they get one line. So this is a parameter of circle. This is a parameter of circle because एक सर्कल होगा उसमें से हमने एक कट मारा, so they get one line separate in इस फॉर्म में लिखा दो. So circumference of the circle means parameter of circle, that is a 2 pi r, and this is a height. This is a height. So इसका हम एरिया कैसे निकालेंगे? 2 pi r multiplied by height means h, because the perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. So here length is a 2 pi r and height is a h. Cylinder is a form rectangle by bringing the side AD and BC together in such a way that solid figure is formed this way, AD and CB. So these are that is our figure in a rectangle by bringing AD and BC together in such a way that solid figure is in a rectangular, वो रेक्टेंगल के फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. And in this cylinder, the top and bottom obviously circle have a circumference equal to the side AB. Here two circles, उसका सर्कमफरेंस इक्वल होगा ए बी से, क्योंकि हमने उसको कट किया. सो इस राउंड को स्ट्रेट किया तो वो ए बी में फॉर्म होगा. सो सर्कमफरेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल इज इक्वल टू लेंथ ऑफ ए बी, तो इसलिए 2 pi r. Now covered surface area of a cylinder in CS, we denoted SC, is equal to area of ABCD, means area of ABCD. कि कवर्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर वो कितना हुआ एरिया कवर करता है, ए बी सी डी. So ABCD, we know that area of a rectangle ABC means length multiplied by height, that is 2 pi r is the length and height is h, that is 2 pi rh. Covered surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi rh. Now total surface area of a right circular cylinder. Now total surface area of a right circular cylinder, that is a lateral surface area plus each base surface area. Here have a base surface area. हमने देखा उसका 2 सर्कल है, so each base surface area means 2 times pi r square. We know that area of a circle means pi r square. Area circle का area pi r square, but in a cylinder they have 2 circles, so each base surface area means they have 2 circles, so 2 pi r square. And lateral surface area we know that 2 pi rh. So total surface area of a right circular cylinder, that is a 2 pi r h plus r. Here 2 pi r common, and here also 2 pi r common, remaining h and r, so h plus r square unit. So total surface area of a right circular cylinder, that is 2 pi r h plus r square unit. Now वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सिलेंडर, इसमें क्या मेजर करना है, मेजर ऑफ द स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई बाय सिलेंडर. उस सिलेंडर ने कितना स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई किया है. द एरिया ऑफ ईच सिलेंडर स्टील मल्टीप्लाई बाय हाइट, मीन्स उसका स्टील मल्टीप्लाई बाय हाइट, सो द गिव्स अ स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई बाय सिलेंडर. सो एरिया ऑफ ईच सर्कुलर स्टील, that is pi r square multiplied by height means pi r square h. Pi r square h is a height and r is a radius, that is the volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. So these are a volume of a cylinder, that is pi r square h, and total surface area of a right circular cylinder, it is 2 pi r in bracket h plus r square unit, and here covered surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi rh. Now second is a whole cylinder. Solid like a pipe, means water pipe, rubber tube, etc. is a whole cylinder. Thus a solid obtained by 2 coaxial cylinder of the same height and a different radii means different radius, they obtain two cylinder of same height but different radius. इसकी रेडियस कम होगी इससे, is called as a whole cylinder. Whole cylinder means they have a 2 radius this way, so here also same, so this solid is called as a whole cylinder. This is a shown in a figure. So these are a whole cylinder, they have a 2 radius, here big one is a r and small is a small r, and here height is same, that is h, and who is the center of that solid. Here capital R is the exterior radius and small r is the interior radius of that solid, and h is the height of that solid. Here capital R and small r with the external and internal radii, means radius we know that r is the external radius, means center to the external, and r is the internal radius of a whole cylinder, and h p its height shown in a above figure. Means same, we can say that h is the height of the solid. Now total surface area of a whole cylinder is equal to covered surface area plus each base surface area. Here also two circles, means two circles of the base, so 2 pi r square minus r square. You know that here are two radius, so 2 pi means 2 times 2 pi r capital R square minus r square, means बड़ा वाले में से छोटा माइनस करेंगे तो that these are given, so we take these one area, these one are minus, means बड़ा वाले में से ये छोटा माइनस करोगे तो हमको क्या मिलेगा, ये मिलेगा. सो वी वांट दैट, हमको ये चाहिए, सो ये मिलेगा. एंड कवर्ड सरफेस एरिया इज 2 पाई आर एच प्लस 2 पाई आर. पहला एक्सटीरियर हम लेंगे, उसको कट करेंगे तो एक्सटीरियर हम लेंगे 2 पाई कैपिटल आर एच, एंड देन सेकेंड इंटीरियर लेंगे 2 पाई आर एच, एंड हियर exterior radius minus interior radius, so we get that thickness. In this one 2 pi h common outside, 2 pi h, remaining is r plus r capital R small r. In this one we can also write a minus a square minus b square, so we can write a minus b, a plus b, so we can write r plus r and r minus r. So now in this one we are common 2 pi r plus r, here also 2 pi r plus r, so they get a, and the remaining is h plus r minus r. So this is the total surface area of a whole cylinder. This is the total surface area of whole cylinder. Now volume of a whole cylinder is वॉल्यूम ऑफ मटेरियल, जो मटेरियल दिया उसका वॉल्यूम. एक्सटर्नल वॉल्यूम माइनस इंटीरियर वॉल्यूम, मीन्स वी हैव टू वॉल्यूम. फर्स्ट वी फाइंड एक्सटीरियर वॉल्यूम, देन इंटीरियर वॉल्यूम, देन माइनस एक्सटीरियर माइनस इंटरनल, सो दे गिव्स ओनली दिस पार्ट. हमको वही चाहिए. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ होल सिलेंडर, दैट इज external volume minus internal volume. So pi capital R H and pi r square small r h. So pi and h are common, so take outside capital R minus small r, so capital R square minus small r square, that is the volume of whole cylinder. Pi r square minus small r square multiplied by h, this is the volume of whole cylinder. Now we are take one example. Area of a base of a right circular cylinder is 154 centimeter square. हमको दिया है area of a right circular cylinder, that is 154 centimeter, and height is 50 centimeter. So h is given 50 centimeter, and find the volume of cylinder. So we apply volume of cylinder, that is equal to area of base multiply by height. अभी इधर हमको दिया है area of base, that is multiply by height, that is pi r square h, we know that. So pi r square means area of a base, that is 154 centimeter square, and h is a 50 centimeter. So volume of cylinder, that is 154 multiplied by 15 means 2310 centimeter square. So volume of cylinder is 2310 centimeter square. Second example, the circumference of the base of a cylinder is a 145 centimeter and its height is a 25 centimeter. Find the volume of cylinder. Now again find the volume of cylinder. They are giving circumference base of a cylinder, that is 145 centimeter and its height is 25. Now R be the radius of a cylinder. The circumference of a base of cylinder, that is 145 centimeter. Circumference of a base cylinder means 2 pi r. So now first we find the radius. So that is circumference of base cylinder is 145. So now pi means 22 divided by 7. So 22 divided by 7 value is 3.14. So we can also write 3.14 means 22 divided by 7. So 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 multiplied by r. हमको r की वैल्यू मालूम नहीं है इसलिए r को r ही रखेंगे, is equal to 145. Now these two are multiply here going opposite side, so they are divide, and 7 are divide here, so multiply, and 22 are multiply here, so they are divide. So 2 multiplied by 22 and 145 multiplied by 7, and 145 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 multiplied by 22. Here r is a 23.07 centimeter. Here height are given, that is a 25 centimeter. So height of a cylinder H is equal to 25 centimeter, and we are finding r, that is 23.07 centimeter. So volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. हमको अभी r की वैल्यू मिल गई. So pi means 22 divided by 7 means 3.14 multiplied by 23.07 square multiplied by 25. So value is 41,817.67 centimeter cube. So volume of cylinder is 41,817.67 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cylinder. Now next, an iron pipe 20 centimeter long has exterior diameter, means here are iron pipe and exterior diameter means from here to here, this is the center, means exterior diameter is 20, sorry, exterior diameter of equal to 25 centimeter. So they are 25, so here 25. So divided by 2 करेंगे तो उसका रेडियस मिलेगा, मीन्स एक्सटीरियर रेडियस इज 25 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 मीन्स 12.5 सेंटीमीटर उसका रेडियस होगा, एंड लेंथ इज 12 सेंटीमीटर मीन्स हाइट इज 12 सेंटीमीटर, एंड थिकनेस ऑफ अ पाइप इज 1 मीन्स उसकी थिकनेस 1 सेंटीमीटर मीन्स दिस वन उसकी थिकनेस 1 सेंटीमीटर है, एंड फाइंड द होल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ पाइप. तो हमको सरफेस फाइंड करना है, होल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ पाइप. एक्सटीरियर रेडियस आर, कैपिटल आर, इज इक्वल टू 25 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. 25 इज द डायमीटर ऑफ एक्सटीरियर, सो 25 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 मीन्स 12.5 सेंटीमीटर एक्सटीरियर रेडियस. जब हम एक्सटीरियर रेडियस रेडियस इज 12.5, उसमें से हम ये 1 निकाल देंगे, तो हमको इंटीरियर रेडियस मिल जाएगी, बिकॉज ऑफ 1 सेंटीमीटर इज द थिकनेस ऑफ आयरन पाइप. सो माइनस 1 करेंगे 1 सेंटीमीटर, सो हमको इंटीरियर रेडियस मिल जाएगी. So interior radius is equal to external radius minus thickness, that is 12.5 minus 1 means small r is equal to 11.5, and height are given, length of pipe is 20 centimeter. Now we are finding total surface area of a pipe is equal to external covered surface area plus internal covered surface area plus two area of a base. Here also two base. So total surface area means first we finding external surface area, then internal surface area, then area of two base means this base and another base means 2 times area of the base. So we know that external covered surface area means 2 pi capital RH and internal surface area is 2 pi small RH and 2 times area of a base means pi r square minus pi r square means capital R square and minus pi small r square. There are 2 times because of 2 base. Now again 2 pi h and here also 2 pi h common outside, so remaining r plus small r, so r plus small r, and here pi common, so 2 pi. Now this one we can also write a square minus b square means a plus b and a minus b, so we can also write r plus r and r minus r. Now in this one 2 pi r plus r and here also 2 pi r plus r common outside in this way, then h plus r minus small r means this one remaining is h and r minus r we can write here. Now put the value of capital R and small r and height h. Pi is we know that pi की value is a constant 3.14, then we can also write 22 divided by 7, so 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 and capital R is 12.5 plus 11.5 and h is equal to 20 plus 12.5 minus 11.5, so they give 3168 centimeter square. The whole surface area of a pipe means iron pipe, that is 3168 centimeter square. Ratio between covered surface area and total surface area is of a right circular cylinder is 1:2. Find the ratio between height and radius of a cylinder. मीन्स एक सिलेंडर है राइट सर्कुलर सिलेंडर, उसका रेशियो दिया हुआ है कवर्ड सरफेस एरिया एंड टोटल सरफेस एरिया. नाउ वी कैन put the formula of covered surface area of a right circular cylinder and total surface area of right circular cylinder. Here हमको रेशियो फाइंड करना है रेडियस एंड हाइट. सो r is the radius and h is the height of the cylinder. Now that is a given, ratio is given, covered surface area and total surface area is 1:2. Means we can write according to the given condition. This is the covered surface area 2 pi RH divided by means ratio, total surface area means 2 pi RH and this is the base surface area 2 pi r square in ratio is 1/2 means 1:2, that is 1:2. Now in this one 2 pi r common take outside, so 2 pi r. So now here 2 pi r and 2 pi r cut, so remaining is h divided by h plus r is equal to half means 1/2. ये कैसे लिखा मालूम पड़ा ना, बिकॉज ऑफ here gives ratio between cover surface area and total surface area and these ratio are 1:2. So this is the formula of cover surface area and total surface area means this one formula and 1 and 2. This is the ratio of cover surface area and total surface area. Now we can common 2 pi r common outside here, so h plus r. Now 2 pi r get cancelled, so remaining is h divided by h plus r is equal to half. So then they gives h divided by h plus r is equal to half. Now here 2 r divide here, so going opposite side, so they are multiplied by h and h plus r multiplied by 1. So 2h is equal to h plus r here, and so now this hr plus here, so going opposite side, so they are minus, so 2h minus h is equal to r, so 2 minus 1 means h, so h is equal to r, so h is equal to r here, so now ratio is hr means 1 1, so here radius between means ratio between radius and height, so this is a 1 1. Because of h is equal to r, so ratio are equal, so h r is equal to 1 1. So ratio between height and radius is 1 1. The thickness of a metallic tube is 1 centimeter and the inner diameter of a tube is 12 centimeter. Here they give inner diameter means these one are 12 centimeter. So small r is equal to diameter divided by 2 means 6. So inner radius means small r is equal to 6. Find the weight of 1 meter long tube. हमको फाइंड करना है वेट 1 meter long tube. And if density of a metal is a 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. Now here length are given, that is 1 meter long. So also given here thickness is 1 centimeter and inner diameter means उसका inner part है वो 12 है. So small r is equal to 6. So inner radius is equal to small r. 12 divided by 2 means 6 and thickness is 1. So these are inner radius is diameter is 12. So half करेंगे. So radius is 6 and 6 plus 1 because of 1 is the 1 centimeter diameter thickness. So external radius आ जाएगी 6 plus 1 that is 7. So outer radius of the tube is 6 plus 1 because of 1 is the thickness of tube, so that is 7 centimeter and h is the length of the tube. They are given 1 meter 1 centimeter. So we are converting 1 meter to centimeter, so multiply by 100, so 100 centimeter. Now to find the density of a material, find the weight of 1 meter long tube. So उसके लिए हम first find करेंगे volume of material. So we can volume of material multiply by density of material metal भी 7.8 करेंगे तो हमको उसका weight मिल जाएगा. So first find the volume of metal in the tube, that is pi r square minus small r square multiply by h because of length is h. 22 divided by 7, that is the value of pi, and 7 square minus 6 square multiply by 100. So they give 7 square minus 6 square value is 13. So 22 multiply by divided by 7 multiply by 13 multiply by 100. So they give 4085.71 centimeter square. So centimeter cube. Now density of a metal is 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. Now weight of a tube, total weight means जो हमको ट्यूब दी है 1 मीटर की, उसका वेट क्या होगा, वॉल्यूम मल्टीप्लाई बाय डेंसिटी. सो वेट ऑफ ट्यूब इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम मल्टीप्लाई बाय डेंसिटी. सो वॉल्यूम इज 4085.71 centimeter cube multiplied by 7.8 gram, that is 31,868.54 gram. Now these are in a gram, so we convert into a kilogram, that is multiply by 1000. So they give 31.87 kg. 31.87 kg. Weight of tube is 31 kg, means 31.87 kg. Here example, volume of a cylinder is 448 pi centimeter cube and height is 7 centimeter. Find the lateral surface area and total surface area. हमको यहाँ पे दो फाइंड करना है, फाइंड लेटरल सरफेस एरिया एंड टोटल सरफेस एरिया. बट हमको दोनों फाइंड करने के लिए रेडियस चाहिए होंगी, तो हम फर्स्ट रेडियस फाइंड करेंगे. नो radius of a base BR and edge of the cylinder, HB the height of the cylinder. So height h is equal to 7 centimeter. Now volume of a cylinder that is given 448 pi centimeter square, but we know that volume of cylinder means pi r square h, that is 448 pi. So pi r square multiplied by 7, because h is equal to 7 is equal to 448 pi. So now this pi and 7 are going opposite side, so they are divide. So r square is equal to 448 pi multiplied by 7. So pi get cancelled, and 448 divided by 7. So 7 we know that 7 64 the 448. So r square is equal to 68. And we know that also कि h square is equal to 64. So we write here r square is equal to 8 square, r square is equal to 8 square. So now multiply by under root on both sides. So under root and square get cancelled. So r is equal to 8 centimeter, means radius is equal to 8 centimeter. So they are giving. Now we are finding the lateral surface area of a cylinder. Lateral area, surface area, that is 2 pi RH. We h are given, and we finding the radius, that is r is equal to 8 centimeter. So 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 8 and multiplied by 7. So here 7 get cancelled. 2 multiplied by 22 is 44. 44 multiplied by 8, that is 352 centimeter square. Now finding total surface area of a cylinder, that is 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. So 2, we know that value of pi is 3.14. We can also write 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 8 and 7 plus 8. So that is 754.28 centimeter square. So lateral surface area is 352 centimeter square and total surface area is 754.28 centimeter square. Now last example we can take. Solid cylinder has a total surface area of 462 square meter. Its covered surface area is 1/3 of its total surface area. Now find the volume of the cylinder. That means here given covered surface area is a 1/3 part of total surface area. Means covered surface area कितना है, 1/3 part of total surface. Total surface का 1/3 part means covered surface area है, that is given, and total surface area is a 462 square centimeter, means centimeter square. So r be the radius and h be the height of the cylinder, and total surface area is 462 centimeter square, and covered surface area means 1/3, means 1/3 total surface area. We know that total surface area is 462. So covered surface area is 154 centimeter square. So 1/3 part of total surface means divided by 3. 462 divided by 3, that is 154 centimeter square. So 154 centimeter square means covered surface area. But total surface area is 462 centimeter square. So total surface area means 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. So 2 pi RH from equation number 1, 154 plus 2 pi r square is equal to 462. So they are plus, going opposite side, so they are minus. 462 minus 154, they give 308. Now putting the value of pi, that is 22 divided by 7. Now 7 are divided here, so going opposite side, so they are multiply, and 2 are multiplied, so they are divide here, and 22 also divide. So 308 multiplied by 7 and divided by 2 multiplied by 22 means 308 multiplied by 7 divided by 44, so they give 49. So we know that 49 means 7 square. So we again multiply by under root on both sides. So under root and square get cancel. So r is equal to 7 centimeter. So put in equation number 1, r की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे here. So 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 7, so 7 get cancelled, multiplied by h is equal to 154. Now these are multiply, so going opposite side, so they are divide. So here again same are cancel, so they give h is equal to 7 divided by 2 means h is equal to 3.5. So हमने फाइंड की r is equal to 7 and h is equal to 3.5 with the help of cover surface area 1/3 of total surface area. इसका यूज कर हमने r and radius and height फाइंड की. नाउ फाइंड करेंगे वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर, दैट इज पाई r स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय h. सो पाई इज 22 divided by 7, r square means 7 square and h is 3.5. So 539 centimeter cube. Volume of cylinder is 539 centimeter cube. Now we are stop here.